Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install Visual Studio Code on your Mac. Let's visit the official Visual Studio Code website to download it. Once the download is complete, the application is ready to use with just a double click. However, remember that this file is not a shortcut, it is the actual application. If you accidentally delete it, the application will be gone. So the best practice is to move it to the Applications folder on your Mac, which is the proper place for your application. While macOS usually saves applications to the Applications folder by default, Visual Studio Code is an exception. This anomaly can be confusing, but now you know the issue and the solution. When you open the application for the first time, macOS will prompt you to confirm that you want to open it. Simply click Open. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.